Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little Halloween squishmallow. We're going to do Winston the Mummy Owl. So to start drawing Winston the Mummy Owl, we're going to do the basic shape of a squishmallow, which always reminds me of like a chicken nugget. I think I say that every time I'm drawing a squishmallow. So this is just the shape of their body. Just like that. We have it kind of curved up here on the top and here on the sides. Now up here, let's do some ears. So we're coming on up and then coming on down. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Coming on up and coming on down. Now, let's start doing some of the mummy wraps. Some of the strips of fabric or material or whatever Winston is wrapped in. So we've got a line here. We can do another one right there, and one here. And now we want to make sure that we leave space for the face. So I'm going to put another little line there, and now I'm going to get ready to do the face. So I'm going to do a line kind of curving up here like that. And I'm going to put another little line right here. And now right here is going to be where the two eyes and the little beak are. So I'm going to do a little circle for an eye. Do a bit of space and do another circle for an eye. And now we can do a little upside down triangle here for the beak. And now we can do a few more strips of fabric or bandages, whatever Winston is wrapped in. But we want to leave a little bit of space right here because we're going to see a little bit of Winston's belly. So right here, I'm going to do a line going this way, and then we're going to do some little shapes that are kind of like little raindrops. And this is just kind of what Winston has on his belly anyway. I think it might be kind of to help show the texture of maybe the feathers. Not really super duper sure, but that's just something he has on his belly. So now we can do a few more strips of mummy wrappings. And there we go. We're done our drawing, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, folks, goodbye.